This is a 2005 Acura TSX. It features a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features include a power moonroof, XM satellite radio, a double wishbone independent front suspension, alloy wheels, and the heated seats can warm you up in seconds, keeping you and your passengers comfortable the whole trip. The following features are also included: air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, a HomeLink feature, side curtain airbags, child seat safety anchors, a rear window defroster, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, rear impact crumple zones, keyless entry. With an EPA estimated rating of 31 miles per gallon on the highway, this automobile pays off in the long run. Call or visit us right now and arrange your test drive today.